Hey Joe and Joe's mommy.
Hello.
Hello. Joe, just to quickly recap what we did yesterday, we covered the mouth, the tongue, and the salivary glands. And I gave you... Huh?
And we found out that the saliva has H2O,
Uh-huh.
amylase,
Mm-hmm.
lipase,
Mm-hmm.
and mucus.
Uh-huh. And do you remember what all those things do?
I remember that H2O is water, of course.
Uh-huh.
The lipase breaks down fat.
Fantastic.
Amylase breaks down starch.
Uh-huh.
And the mucus traps the bacteria.
Uh-huh. So that...
So that the immune system and the white blood cells can catch them.
can destroy them. Fantastic.
Yeah, destroy them.
Uh-huh, very good. And then with regards to the tongue, what is the tongue quickly?
A muscle!
Yay! And if I was to ask you for two functions of the tongue.
Well, the tongue helps you with speech.
Fantastic.
It also turns the food into a bolus.
Uh-huh, which then helps you to swallow.
Yes.
And then, yeah, go on.
And just to show you what I mean when I say the tongue helps with speech.
Uh-huh, you'd like to demonstrate, yes.
Hello, how are you today? What are you doing? I was saying, hello, how are you today? What are you doing?
Oh, thank you. That was not at all clear initially when you're holding your tongue. So it will be incredibly difficult for people to speak without a tongue. It really is important for speech and language, as we found. And then the teeth. We discussed teeth. You know about teeth anyhow. And yesterday we were a bit unclear with regards to what happens to the canines. And
Yes,
I thought perhaps you could find out.
Yes, canines do fall out.
Do they?
Yes.
And at what age do they fall out?
9 to 11.
Okay, but because you're saying your canine haven't fallen out yet.
Yes, but one of them is wobbly, which is this side.
Okay. And you are 9 years old now, so sure that
Oh.
anytime now, within the next couple of years, it might. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. So since we've completed the mouth, essentially, I thought perhaps we can look at, some of the digestive enzymes that we talked about and also the test buds to see how they work and how quickly they actually work.
Yes.
And in this regard, I ask you to have some foods from different types of food groups. Do you mind giving me a list of the foods that you have?
Okay, so I have liver,
Uh-huh.
which is meat.
Yeah.
Which is the food.
Oh no, it doesn't matter. Just let me know what you have. Then we can classify them if you want to.
Okay, rice,
Uh-huh.
bread,
Uh-huh.
a muffin,
Mm-hmm.
grapes,
Mm-hmm.
peach.
Mm-hmm. Peaches.
Yes.
Okay.
Slices.
Okay, yeah.
Easy peel orange.
Uh-huh.
A biscuit.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
And now we're going into the taste buds, into the things that would help the taste buds.
Uh-huh.
Salt.
Mm-hmm.
The salty.
Mm-hmm.
sugar and honey, the sweet.
Mm-hmm. And is that all?
Oh, and crisps.
Oh, you have crisps as well.
With cheese and onion.
Okay. So we'll put them here. Oh, we'll write them sort of coming in this way a bit. Crisps.
Yeah, and these crisps are not made as most of crisps in the fried. These are oven baked.
Oven baked.
Dun dun dun.
Okay. And do you have any water at all?
Yes, I have. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I also have milk.
Milk?
Yes, milk.
Okay.
Why do I have milk and water?
Well, we'll see.
The milk might be for calcium for my teeth, my bones and stuff.
Well, we haven't said what things are for. We've just said let's find out what you have. And I think, in order for us to understand whether things are, whether you can sense things through your taste buds working and sending signals to them.
Brain.
Yeah. Or whether you need the salivary enzymes to break down things into.
What? Oh, sugar and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the amylase can turn something that has starch.
Yeah.
And will turn the starch into sugar.
Yeah. So essentially, we are checking amylase specifically today.
Yeah.
We're not really going to be checking lipase because you won't really have any way of knowing whether it's there. Yes, Joe?
True. Wait, so then what does the lipase turn the fat into?
It's essentially in the mouth because fats are large. So in the mouth, it just breaks them down to simple fats. When you are a little bit older, I'll be able to let you know that it breaks it down to 3 fatty acids and the glycerol molecule. However, at the moment, you don't need to know that.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, it does make sense.
Fantastic. So, if we start, is Mommy there as our control?
Yes.
Aye, fantastic. And Joe, you know what a control is, isn't it? I can't see you actually, I can see your back. Yeah, that's better.
I think. Not 100% sure.
Okay. So when people have an experiment, they have a control. And the control is someone who's not an active part of the experiment in terms of providing experimental results. They are providing us with a baseline so that we can then check and compare our experiment results.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for that.
However, today we'll check both you and Mommy to compare whether adults and children.
Oh, if adults and children have a different time for the amylase to kick in.
Yes, and taste buds as well. Fantastic. So although, we're calling Mommy a control, in a sense we're just comparing between the two. Does that make sense?
So she's a control and also kind of part of the experiment.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so right here that it's you. And we need more space. So I'm going to remove just science lesson for now.
It's okay.
Because here we'll have just time and Mommy's time. And then we'll have a difference in the two.
Love?
Hello?
I have a question.
Yes.
Will Mummy and I have to do it at this, start eating at the same time or at different times?
No, at some time because we're comparing. Yeah, so...
that someone would go first, and then we would write the time down.
Oh no, it will take quite a long time, because really we are doing exactly the same thing. So you might as well as do it together. The only difference is obviously, for example, say if you are first, you can say yes, yours has already changed, or oh yes, you can taste that. Or if mommy is first, mommy can do that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll always write, the times for both of you. So if I could possibly ask both of you to okay, which one would you want to start with, Joe? Perhaps.
I want to start with. Okay, easy peel.
Easy peel. Okay, if you can take a easy peel and place it on your